What if I told you that building real, lasting wealth isn't about luck? It's not about a single lottery ticket or getting that one hot stock tip. The truth is, true financial freedom comes from applying proven, powerful strategies, systems that work while you sleep. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 most powerful wealth-building strategies used by millionaires and billionaires. Stick around, because one of these is going to be the perfect foundation for your journey. Let's start with the simplest and most accessible strategy for most people: long-term investing in index funds. Think of an index fund as a basket that holds a tiny piece of every major company in the stock market. When you buy a share of an S&P 500 index fund, you instantly own a small piece of Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and hundreds of others. Why is this so powerful? 2 words: diversification and compounding. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the entire economy's growth. And, by reinvesting your dividends and adding money consistently, you harness compounding, where your returns start earning their own returns. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy. It's not sexy, but it's incredibly effective. Your main job here is discipline, to keep investing every month no matter if the market is up or down. Now, for those of you who want a more active role, let's talk about creating a trading system with an edge. This is not gambling. This is the opposite of gambling. It's about having a strict, back-tested set of rules for when to buy and when to sell. Your edge is your statistical advantage. A real system has 3 parts. First, a defined strategy, maybe based on chart patterns or specific economic data. Second, and this is critical, strict risk management. This means never risking more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. And third, emotional discipline. The system makes the decisions, not your fear or greed. This path requires serious study and a tough stomach, but it can potentially outperform the market. If you want to shoot for the highest levels of wealth, this is the classic path: building a profitable business. Why? Because when you have a job, you trade your time for money. It's linear. But when you build a business, you create a machine that can scale. You build systems, you hire a team, you leverage technology to serve thousands or millions of customers. The wealth comes from 2 places: the ongoing profits of the business, and the ultimate sale of the business itself, what's called an exit. This is the hardest path on this list. It requires immense resilience. But it offers not just financial reward, but also unparalleled autonomy and the chance to make a real impact. Now, let's talk about a timeless, tangible wealth builder: building a real estate portfolio. Real estate is unique because you can use someone else's money, the banks, to buy an asset. This is called leverage. A good real estate investment makes you money in 4 ways. Cash flow. The rent from tenants is more than your expenses. Appreciation. The property increases in value over time. Loan paydown. Your tenant's rent pays down your mortgage. Tax advantages. You get to write off things like depreciation. You start with one property, then use the equity and cash flow to buy the next. It's an active investment. You have to manage it, but it creates a fantastic inflation-resistant income stream. Finally, the most modern strategy on our list: creating cash-flowing assets. These are digital or intellectual products that make money for you around the clock. Think about an online course, a popular blog, a YouTube channel, a best-selling ebook, or even a piece of software. The beauty here is the scalability. You do the hard work once, filming the course, writing the book, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times with almost no extra cost. It's the ultimate form of leverage for an individual creator. So, which one is right for you? The beautiful thing is, you don't have to pick just one. The most powerful approach is synergy. You might use the income from your business to fund your real estate down payments. You could use profits from your trading system to build a digital asset. The goal is to shift your mindset from trading time for money to building a portfolio of assets that work for you. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor. 1. Smash that like button. 2. Subscribe for more actionable strategies to master your finances. 3. Comment below and tell me, which of these 5 strategies resonates most with you right now? Is it the steady index funds or the exciting world of digital assets? Thanks for watching. Remember, your financial future isn't about what you earn, it's about what you own. See you in the next video.